Well, for the Cybercrime Investigation Coordinating Center, future-proof governance means being able to deliver on our mandates. That is to help people to be aware on how to identify red flags on cybercrimes, to make people aware that cybercrime is a prevalent thing that is happening right now, and to help them to uh, to be able to equip the people themselves into to knowing how to identify really what are cybercrimes and how to prevent these cybercrimes. That's why me personally, I go out of my way to really educate people, because I want them to really know what is the dangers and risks of cybercrimes, and for the Cybercrime Investigation Coordinating Center to really deliver on our mandate, that is to protect people and to make cyberspace a safe haven for all Filipinos. Well, I think the greatest public value that I could see is for all governments that are fighting cybercrimes to really collaborate with each other. Yes, because we've actually espoused collaboration, not only among government agencies, but also from both the government and the private sectors, all industries under the private sectors, healthcare, academe, tourism, and what have you. So we're really espousing collaboration, because, as I keep on repeating in all my lectures, the fight against cybercrimes is not the sole responsibility of the government or the private sector. There should be a unified action between these two sectors, the public and the private sectors, so that we could really uh, stop all these scams that are happening right now.